Hello everyone, so welcome back in my YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to see difference between joins and union. So what is join and union? Union it combines rows, but join it combines columns. Union number of column and data type of column should be same, but in join basically what does join combines two or more table based on one common column between them. And in union there is no necessary to have same column name, it could be different. And union it basically it return unique rows, it return unique rows. And in join it may happen like it can return unique column. So let's see example of join and union. So here I have two table, table 1 and table 2. So if I apply union in between two table, so basically union it combine rows, means it increase vertically like this. And syntax of this, like how we can write the query for this. So we can write like select, and whatever column you want to select you can apply here, and you can mention here, and from table 1 then union select star from table 2. And there is one thing need to keep in mind when you apply union, and that is the like when we select column from one table, from when we select column from the table 1 and table 2, both column data type should be same, it's mandatory in the union. So basically when you apply the union, it increase the rows, it grows vertically like this. And if when we apply join, basically join it combine the columns based on one common column. So in these two table the id column is id column is same, and based on this common column we will add these columns. So when we apply join basically it combine the column and it grows horizontally like this. So when I apply join, the output will be like this, like name, city and date of birth and mobile, it grows horizontally. And the syntax of this will be like this: select star from table 1, inner join or table 2, inner join, we are doing inner join table 2 on which column we are doing on id, because in both table id column is common. So we will write this table 1 dot id and table dot 2 id. So this is the way I hope this is the difference between join and union. I hope it's clear to you, and thank you so much for watching me. Bye.